Hey everyone, if you have or are thinking of getting a 958 Cayenne with a V8, whether it's the turbo model or the non-turbo V8, the timing chain guides on the front of the engine here, where you see the U-shaped thing, that has a plastic covering that as these engines age and reach about 100,000 miles, that plastic just disappears. It breaks apart and it's a pretty big job to replace. If you're paying for the labor, the dealership will take the engine out to do so. So it's a pretty good idea to be able to inspect and find out if your engine is in good shape. And so this can be easily done by looking through or inspecting through the oil filler. So I'm going to show you with this video how to do that. So we're going to remove the oil filler cap, and using a borescope camera, we are going to be able to snake down to the left side of the chain pulley that's right there. So there's a sprocket with the chain running over it. We're going to take a borescope camera and we're going to feed it in a particular way to be able to inspect that chain guide without having to take off the valve covers. So this will sneak in to the left side here of the sprocket and left side of the chain. We're going straight in, and then we're going to curve it downward once we reach the end point, once it kind of gets stuck in there. And so here's the view of the camera itself. So we're going to head in, and then we're going to rotate it downward. So we're just following the chain as it goes up and over. And there's a little space here to be able to fit that in. And on this engine that we're going to look at here, this is what it should look like when it's new. So this was a V8S that had a new chain guide put in. And so when we curve the camera now to look back, there's that brown plastic rounded covering on top of the metal guide. So that's what it should look like when you've got a good intact chain guide that's present. That's what we're wanting to see, is the brown plastic covering that guide rail. So let's see what it looks like when it doesn't look good. So get that in your mind. That's the ideal view. That's what you want. Is it not broken apart? Well, let's go into this one. This is a turbo with about 130,000 miles on it. And as we come around, we can already see the metal edge versus a plastic brown covering on this one. So here we're looking at that same chain guide. The plastic is actually about 1 inch down. So this has begun to fracture apart. And those chain guide fragments end up getting carried by the chain all the way over to the bank 2 side and get jammed up against that sprocket, which you can see there. And so the fracture usually happens where it starts at bank 1, carries all the way over. This engine, it carried all the way to the midline there of the U-shaped chain guide. Everything to the left of the arrow is missing the plastic. And so at this point, once the plastic breaks off, this reached to the midline, the engine threw fault code, and replacement of the timing chain guides was necessary and did fix the problem. So if you're considering one of these cars, you've got one of these Cayennes with a V8 and it's around 100,000 miles, this is something to keep in mind, because this is just going to be needed. So hopefully this helps, and stay tuned for more of our adventures with the 958 Garage.